Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 opened slightly higher at 10,888.45, with the Euronext 100 also edging higher by 0.04% and Germany's DAX gaining 0.21%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq closed lower at 26,363.44, while the S&P 500 also finished lower at 7,723.55. In company news, airline Wizz Air reported strong capacity growth, but higher operating costs weighed on first quarter earnings as it continued to expand its network. House builder Persimmon delivered higher first-half earnings, supported by increased home completions and improved trading conditions. Against sterling, the US dollar and euro strengthened slightly. The Swiss franc and Australian dollar were broadly unchanged. The Japanese yen edged higher and Bitcoin was up. In commodities, copper and natural gas moved higher, while gold and Brent crude traded lower. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great Thursday.